As we head through the weekend, we're going to see some changes to the big picture weather pattern, which means eventually a better chance of rain headed our way. But in the short term, still poor air quality at ground level. Spare the air alert continues today and again tomorrow. Mostly dry this weekend. Showers are going to be possible tomorrow, but the bulk of the heavier rain is going to hold off until Sunday night into early Monday. Once that rain arrives, it's a wet forecast that continues Tuesday and Wednesday and even into Thursday of next week. Now, that rain is going to improve our air quality, but still in the unhealthy for sensitive groups category. Inland in the East Bay, around the south end of the bay, and in the Santa Clara Valley. Moderate air quality readings elsewhere. Now, otherwise, today looks like a fine day. Temperatures are going to warm up significantly. We're going to climb up into the low to mid 70s in the Santa Clara Valley, way above average, close to 15 degrees above normal, even 74 for Morgan Hill, 70 degrees in Fremont. Elsewhere, we're talking mostly mid to upper 60s. But that's unusual for this time of year. A good 5 to 10 degrees above average. Mid 60s along the coast for Half Moon Bay, mid 60s in San Francisco. Temperatures inland in the North Bay, despite a chillier start this morning, a lot of mid 30s on the map. Going to make it up into the mid to upper 60s by this afternoon. That is a rapid warm up that is in store for us. Let's take a look at Futurecast. And the clouds that have been hanging out the past couple of days are going to just take a break for a day. Plenty of sunshine today, but the approach of our next storm system, you can see at 4 o'clock this afternoon, it is off the coast and getting closer. More clouds on Sunday and some off and on showers. This is going to be light hit or miss activity. Sunday does not look like a washout, but it's going to be still somewhat unsettled. Be flexible with any outdoor plans. The bulk of the heavier rain holds off until Sunday evening and especially Sunday night. That's where we're going to see the more intense rainfall, including for the Monday morning commute. I think the Monday afternoon commute could be complicated as well because of the rainfall rates that will be occurring at that point. That widespread and heavier rain gives way to off and on showers as we head through Monday night and into Tuesday, but then another wave of heavier rain Tuesday night into Wednesday. This is a pattern that's going to continue to repeat itself because we're talking about an atmospheric river that's going to be soaking the Bay Area, likely in one of the beneficial categories, a weak AR2 atmospheric river, but the impact is going to be spread out over the course of several days. So it's an unsettled forecast that it's going to continue through most of the week, producing, well, we're talking about anywhere from 1.5 inches of rain on the low end of the spectrum to over 4 inches of rain possible in some of the higher elevations of the North Bay and along the coast and into the Santa Cruz Mountains. Let's take a look at the 7-day forecast, and we can actually just look at the entire Bay Area. We don't have to break things down by microclimate because regardless of whether you're along the coast, farther inland, or around the bay, everybody's got the same forecast. Temperatures aren't going to vary much from spot to spot, and everybody has the same rain chances. Just the amounts that are going to be a little bit different. Kind of an every other day pattern to the heaviest rain headed our way. The driest day in sight, once we get past today, is the last day of the 7-day forecast, drying out on Friday before we head into Christmas weekend.